Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Adventures in Magic. I'm Tina, the mom, and Kayla is in the background. Today we're going to talk to you about some things that we bring to the parks with us, and one of them is a cylinder charger, and you can find these all over the parks. This one I happen to find on Amazon. It charges one phone, and it takes usually a good, an hour to charge a full phone. This next one that we have is a dual device. You can charge just about anything on it, and if you needed to like charge two phones at once, you could do that. Something that we bring into the hotel with us is this sandwich maker for breakfast, so we don't always have time to sit down or go make breakfast, so we pack it with us. These are some items that are pre-made, pre-cooked, that you can just warm up and bring into the park with you. You can use the baby station to heat up the items in the microwave, especially if you have little kids that have to eat all day. I have a 23-year-old autistic daughter who has to eat quite often. So, and you go through a lot of energy when you're in the park. So these are some pre-cooked noodles, bags of rice, tuna, there's chicken, we have mushrooms, we have Alfredo packets. We bring the little jars of Kool-Aid with us. We bring chips and salsa. We bring a loaf of bread, and we have peanut butter sandwiches. So those are just a few foods that you see, and we bring some soups for the hotel, as you can see. And then there's some rices and just all kinds of cool things that you don't have to worry about heating if you don't mind cold noodles. I'm one of those people who doesn't mind cold noodles, but we just bring some chips and we eat chips and salsa. And again, there's soup for the hotel room if they have a microwave. So that's one thing that we do. And then I always suggest bringing a fan, especially if you're coming during the summer. This one, as you can see, has a charger on it, and you can charge your phone and charge the fan. This is a Thermo Flask that we use when we go to the park. As you can see, it's kind of a little beaten up, but this bottle is 52 ounces, and it has two different types. You can screw the top on, or you can take the whole thing off and drink out of it. And it has a little thing that you can clip to your belt or backpack or whatever. We take these, and it's like a lifesaver. You cannot bring these in. You cannot bring these into the park full of liquid. You can bring them in full of ice. We've done that, and they've never said anything to us. So you can bring it full of ice. So we fill it up at the ice machine at the hotel in the morning, because it's going to melt. No matter what you do, it's going to melt. So we bring this, and it lasts us all day, because you can fill up water all day, but it's really hard sometimes when it's busy at the park to find ice. So we have learned our lesson and fill it up with ice ahead of time. And again, it's got this top, and it's about 52 ounces of full liquid. So let me see if it says on here. It says, 40 ounces. And then it lasts all day. It really does. It lasts all day. All right. And people always ask me, well, how do you carry stuff? So usually we have a locker. We go and get a locker to put like the food and stuff in, so we're not carrying that around all day. But this is my backpack, and it is like the best backpack I ever bought. I swear to God. So we usually put 2 bottles of water, one on each side. And this one is a cross pack, so you can switch sides. As you can tell, it's got it's got this side, and then if you want to switch sides, you can change it to that. And then we always clip a carabiner onto it, like I was saying for the water bottle. I suggest always having a carabiner. I really, really do. And then this one is really cool. It has this, and we put our ears in here. Like, I'll see if I can't find it on Amazon. But there's different patterns. And then it has one 2, 3, 4, 5 pockets. 5 pockets, and it fits a lot of stuff, and we just organize it for the day. The wallet goes in the back. The stuff we need, emergency stuff, first aid stuff. Like, I still have these in here, and they are screen cleaning wipes. So to clean your phones and stuff with, because you're touching stuff all day long, you want to clean your phone. So we put our pins in here. We put salt and pepper packets in here because I'm kind of picky sometimes about how my food tastes. We put all our change usually in the front. I don't usually take a whole bunch of stuff with me, so we put Band-Aids in there. There's a lot of Band-Aids. I'm always handing out Band-Aids, I swear, when we're at the park. But yeah, so that's just a couple of the things that we have as far as what necessities are awesome to take to Disney. This one also has a thing for your headphones to go through. I've never used it, but yeah, it's pretty awesome. Let's see. We put socks in here. We're going to put up to 3 pairs of socks comfortably and still have room to put all of our stuff in. So that's been awesome too. And then it's just a really good compact. It's not very heavy. It's just a really good backpack. It's been awesome. One of my supervisors at work got one, and I didn't know she got the same one I did, but she got one and she loves it too. So that's what she takes with her, and she uses that for her daily bag too. So everybody says fanny packs, fanny packs, fanny packs. That's better than a fanny pack. That's all I have to say. It's a lot of frontal load to carry for me, so I'd rather just carry it on my back. And it can get heavy, but it is what you pack in it, you know. But the part I like the most is that we can carry our ears in it and they don't get damaged. So that was a big deal for us. But I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Would you do me a great big favor after you've watched the video? Would you please hit the thumbs up button, smash the like, and subscribe? We really could use your help with that. I appreciate you. You guys are amazing. We are also on TikTok now and just about every social media. So, but our big ones are TikTok and Instagram. So go check us out on there if you haven't. I do shorter videos on TikTok than I do on YouTube. My information is a little bit longer on YouTube. But I hope you all have an amazing day. Can't wait to see you at Disney. We're going again in March. Have a great one.